Alright guys, Forex Market Analytics, we're back. We couldn't leave the New Zealand dollar off the table here, right? If we were talking about the Aussie dollar, we have to talk also about our bullish position on the New Zealand versus the US dollar. Very highly correlated, both of them. And here we got pretty similar situation, right? As we've seen previously with the Aussie dollar. Here we also we have the same concern over another downside leg that will take us back to the lower section from coast to coast, and this would basically mean that price is entering a sideways movement phase, right? We'll have another downside leg followed by probably another upside leg and so forth. And at this point, we've done very well up until now with the New Zealand dollar. What I decided to do was actually to keep this position as minimal as possible, right? So we took all of the first trades we had and we left just the last one that we entered when we saw price leaving that huge spike here and beginning to move across 66.34 and 66.43. That was the moment we entered the last trade. Now, so you can see that we're already taking out all of the first trades that we had, right? So we've done very well in terms of, moving up until now. From this point, here is the concern, right? We're concerned about having a downside reversal, full-fledged with another downside leg. But pretty much like with the situation on the Aussie dollar here as well, looking at the big picture, it is more likely, I think, that price will actually continue to move up and break the hell out of that 67.28, which is the last line of resistance that defines this trading range. Now have a look at something quite interesting that happened here last Friday, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that as a trigger to get out of this position, right? So I'm talking about the 200 daily moving average, right? Last Friday, price made a bit of a statement here by closing the day, which was also closing the week, above that moving average, suggesting that it broke a significant resistance and it's ready for the next stage, which is dealing with the 67.28, right? Now, whether or not this is a true, genuine breakout, we'll have to see. Probably we'll have the answer by the end of today. And here's the plan, right? Before we're going to lose the rest of the profit we have on that last trade, we would like to see if that 200 daily moving average is going to hold now as a new support element, right? And I have a feeling it will, even though it doesn't look like right now. When you look at the price, it just goes down every single second. Looks like it's just pushing downwards and seems to be about to break below, back below the moving average. But we'll have to wait at the end of the day. It's very early stages still. We might just have a bit of a spike here and price will remain above and basically prepare for the next move to break 67.28, right? If it will close below the 200 daily moving average today, by the end of the day, of course, then I will basically consider to pull out, close this position and wait for either price to come back up again, break 67.28, and then I'll try to, to pick it up, or we will have a full move back to the lower section and then I will wait right here on the bottom to pick it up again, right? Stop loss level was also adjusted significantly, well, not too significantly actually, by 50 pip from 65.40 to 65.90. Alright guys, good stuff. Interesting right now, the New Zealand dollar battling down against that 200 daily moving average. That's about that for the New Zealand dollar. That's about that for today. And until next time, be well.